Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the 2024 Argentina home shirt. And I've got to say, I think this is the first Argentina Lionel Messi shirt I've done. It's a bit of a common one, which most people get, but yeah, I think it's the first time I've ever done one. This shirt was purchased from photoshop4.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. I'll also see if I can find a DHgate link to share that with you as well. Yeah, I've been putting off getting a Lionel Messi Argentina shirt for so long, but this one I really like the look of it. So you can't see it through here because it is just in the bag at the moment. It is the Adidas bag with health warnings on the other side, but I really did like the look of this shirt, so I thought it was about time that I actually purchased one. As I said, the seller is photoshop4.com. All their details will be in the description of the video. If you are new around here, make sure you like and also subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you've got any questions or comments, by all means leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So what we'll do now is we'll get this bag open and let's have a look at the 2024 Argentina home shirt with Messi on the back. Okay, so we're at the front of the shirt and it's just got a standard collar that comes around. I do like the little joins, actually, the white joins there. It looks nice because obviously you've got the blue and the white all over the shirt for the Argentinian colours, but I just like the way that you've got the standard blue there with the little white line around it. Something simple, but I find it quite effective. We've got the World Cup 26 qualifier patch on the right sleeve. Adidas has been embroidered into the material. We've got the FIFA World Cup champions in the 22 in the middle, and then the Argentinian badge, which has been embroidered in as well. So as you can tell with all the embroidery, this is the fans version. And then on the sleeve we have Football Unites the World. This has been heat pressed on. So this patch heat pressed. Is it heat pressed or is it glued? I think that's heat pressed. So heat press, embroidered, heat pressed, embroidered, and heat pressed. And as you'll have seen, we've got Lionel Messi on this one, and this number 10 has been heat pressed on. I've got to say the pressings feel absolutely lovely on this shirt. This is the first Messi Argentina shirt I've done on this channel, and what a cracker as a first one. Aero ready down the bottom. If I put my hand through there, you can just about see my hand through the mesh on the side, which is obviously what's going to keep you cool. Material is a bit of a silky sort of feel to it. I think this shirt looks absolutely outstanding. I really do. Okay, moving to the back. The banding from the front continues around. Stitching doesn't look too bad, a little bit of a mess there, but nothing really that noticeable, especially when you've got the shirt on. So the Messi Nameset has been heat pressed on. That feels lovely. Just wonder what that was then, but I think that's where the tag is. It's a black tag, I'm guessing, and you can just about make that through. So that gives you an indication of how see-through it is. That's sun. And then down here, we've got the number 10. There's a big old crease there, which hopefully is just from where the shirt's been in the bag. But once we flip it through and we have a look at the way it's been pushed on, we'll see then whether there's a crease in the number 10 itself or not. We've got the 26 World Cup qualifier patch here, which we looked at, and again that has gone on nice, all looking tidy. Again, you've got the ventilation on the back, which will obviously keep you nice and cool, which you can see my hand relatively well through actually, but that's absolutely fine. So we'll flip it around and we'll take a look at the inside of it too. Okay, we're now on the inside of the shirt, and you get the Adidas tag that they put in there, and with a product code on it and a QR code. Obviously not going to be for this shirt, but something else. And then you get the actual like shop tag that they put on it again, Adidas Argentina badge. It's got the Adidas JSY Adidas jersey. Collar line all looks good. The Adidas stripes have been embroidered into the material, which is tend to be what we've seen on some of the newer Adidas shirts. It's one of the patches, you can see that's gone on really well. The Argentinian crest has got some of that card in there, which I can't actually get out at the moment. But to remove this here, you can just about make it out. I would put your shirt in some warm water Got the World Cup patch in the middle, again nice and smooth, and that's been embroidered on, nice and smooth. Patch good, and the number 10 for Messi in the middle, which again is really good. At the bottom we do have a standard tag with our washing instructions, recommendation, especially because we've got quite a lot of this stuff that's been heat pressed on, is to do it on a hand wash setting, and your shirt must be inside out. When it comes to drying it, flip it inside out, you can do, but hang dry it. So flip it inside out to wash it, to dry it, hang dry it. Do not put it in your tumble dryer. All in all, stitching looks pretty neat on this one. That's got a little bit there, but I think the most of the joins in that look absolutely fine. So far, a lovely shirt. Okay, final part of the inside, we've got our sizing up here, which is an XL slim fit. This is a fan version, so the size is pretty much like for like. So if you are an XL, you'd get away with an XL. Messi, as I said, has been heat pressed on, and that feels really nice, no creases, but that just made me think of this crease that we had here. And you can see that is just from the bag. There's nothing in where the number 10 has been pressed on, so no worries at all. Stitching again, all looks really good on this side as well. A very nice version of the shirt, and I'm still surprised it is my first Messi one, but as I said earlier, for the first Messi shirt to do, there's not many better than this one. And there is our Argentina 2024 home shirt with the number 10 Messi Nameset. This shirt was purchased from fofoshop4.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also try and leave a link for DHgate for one of the sellers that I've used in the past, so that then you've got the comparable if you want to go to Fofoshop to have a look at them, or from DHgate. If you have enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you have any comments, questions or messages below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. For me, this is such a fantastic looking shirt. I don't know if I've done an Argentina shirt or not before, I can't actually remember, but it's definitely the first Messi one that we've done on an Argentina shirt. I have held off before, but I thought it was about time, especially as it was the world champion shirt. So yeah, that's the reason for actually getting one out there. I know a lot of people do buy these and have reviewed them, but it's the first time that I've done it. So I hope you have enjoyed this one. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.